A wedding gown is more than just a dress. It's more than fabric, lace, and embellishment. Your wedding gown is the centerpiece of one of the most memorable days in your life, and it's one of the most precious garments you'll ever own. At Omaha Lace Cleaners, we understand a wedding gown needs and deserves to be cared for like the unique garment it is. Our bridal gown team are specialists in their craft, passionate about every gown, and tend to every garment with meticulous care and expertise. From alterations done by talented and passionate artists who ensure every stitch, button, and seam are tended to with precision and expertise, then steamed or pressed, carefully prepared, and picture perfect for your big day. To museum care, heirloom preservation, and gown cleaning, Omaha Lace is Nebraska's expert in the art of wedding gown and formal wear care. Our gown specialists understand fabrics and how they react when handled and inspect every dress, and based on material, embellishment, or damage, will determine the process for the best result. Once cleaned and inspected, the gown is carefully packaged in an acid-free heirloom chest to be cherished for a lifetime. Cherish the memories, preserve the gown with Omaha Lace Cleaners.